How to set up Payhip store. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how we can set up our Payhip store, so make sure to stick with me till the end. To set up our Payhip store, first of all open your browser and go to payhip.com. Once you're here, it'll ask you to simply enter the email address to get started for free. So we're simply going to go ahead and then enter our email address right here and click on the get started button. Now we have to simply set up our first name as well as our last name, and we can also go ahead and choose a password that we would like and then just click on the create account button. Once we've done that, our Payhip account will be successfully created. Now all we have to do is simply set up our name or our shop name right over here and click on the continue button. You can see the correct URL for that as well. Click on get started selling and just add a few more details about your account and your shop. And then if you want to add a product, you can always go to product section to add more products and whatever else it is. This way you'll be able to add Payhip and set up your Payhip store. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.